Now in this question, mean marks of 40 students in mathematics of class 11th is 78.75 and the mean marks of the students of class 11th B is given to be 90. Combined mean of both the classes in mathematics is given to be 84. We have to find total number of students of class 11th B. Okay. Now let x1 mean and x2 mean denotes average of mathematics of class 11th A and 11th B respectively. Okay. Let total number of students of class 11th B be P. Combined mean is given by x mean. Okay. Now therefore x1 mean is 78.75, x mean is 84, x2 mean is 90, n1 is 40 and n2 we have to find, that is P. Now formula n1 x1 mean plus n2 x2 mean upon n1 plus n2. Okay. So let us evaluate the values. 84 is equal to 40 with 78.75 plus P times 90 upon 40 plus P. Now this becomes 84 with 40 plus P is equal to 3150 plus 90 P. Okay. Now multiplying this, what we are having, 3360 plus 84 P is equal to 3150 plus 90 P. 6P is 210 and P is 35. Okay. Hence students of class 11th number of students of class 11th are 35. Answer.